Summer is a very specific period for the financial markets, and no matter what you trade, Forex, gold, stocks, crypto, with experience you will see how different is the summertime season for the markets. In this video we will discuss why summertime market is so unique. We will discuss how it affects your trading and why these changes happen. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. First, let's discuss how the summer holidays affect the financial markets. Typically in summer the markets tend to slow down. June is the most volatile month of summer, that is followed by the slowing July and a very slow August. The market volatility drops and we see fewer impulsive movements. Look at this chart. It is a gold chart, weekly time frame, and here I underline the entire year 2023. Also I underline the entire summer season. Also you can see that here I have the average true range indicator, the ATR. That indicator measures the market volatility. You can see that according to ATR, summer period was the slowest for gold, and once summer started, gold became very slow. Traders, don't miss my next free signals. Subscribe to my free Telegram channel now. The link in the description below. We can see the obvious drop in volatility from June to August. It shows how weak was the market in comparison to other seasons. In summer, the markets tend to consolidate more, to trade within the ranges and to accumulate. We see more consolidation patterns like horizontal parallel channels, the symmetrical triangles, the expanding triangles with fewer trend following patterns. Now look at the volatility on euro-dollar pair on a weekly time frame for the year 2023. You can see that June and the beginning of July were quite volatile, but then the market slowed down and remained weak till the end of summer. Now let's discuss the reasons why the markets tend to decelerate in summer. Reason number one, the decreased trading activity. Many market participants, the banks, the hedge funds, the pension funds, the retail traders have the vacation period in summer. It leads to lower overall trading volumes on the market. Here is Bitcoin chart, weekly time frame, year 2023. At the bottom of the chart you can see a volume indicator that displays the market volumes for a certain period of time. Look how the trading volumes were declining on Bitcoin in summer 2023. We see some activity in June that is followed by the lowest volumes in a period from the middle of July to the end of August. Reason number two, central bank holidays. Many central banks around the world have holidays in summer. For that reason, during the months of summer, there are fewer high-impact economic news like the speeches of the central bank's chairmen, the monetary policy reports, and the interest rates decisions. That can lead to reduced trading activity and lower volatility, simply because many market participants will wait till these institutions will return to full operation. In this table you can see the schedule of FOMC meetings for 2024. Federal Open Market Committee has a very high impact on financial markets. In August there is no FOMC and many market participants will wait for the FOMC in September. Now look at the schedule of Fed Powell speeches in 2023. While his speeches were very regular throughout the year and could occur as often as 3 times in one single month, you can observe that there were just 3 speeches in summer, 2 speeches in June, and 1 speech in August. And there were no speeches in July. While Powell speeches may affect the market significantly, causing the impulsive and volatile movements. Reason number 3, the timing of major political events. Certain major political events may be less frequent during the months of summer, as other politicians tend to have vacations in summer. With the absence of politicians, there are fewer bad geopolitical and economic news. That makes the markets more stable and calm. Here is US Congress schedule for 2024. The entire month of August is blank. Such a period is called the August recess. Members of Congress take a break from the legislative duties. They return to their home districts and spend time with their constituents. All these factors lead to slow and quite often boring markets during summer. Being slow, the markets stop trading, so the swing traders find fewer setups to trade. trade. With the low volatility, day traders make smaller profits while the daily movements are limited. And with the absence of the trading setups, many traders start breaking the rules of their trading strategies. They start trading the setups, the patterns that they did not trade before. That is a terrible mistake that you should avoid. And the boring summertime market is one of the main reasons why newbie traders blew their trading accounts. Always remember that you should strictly follow the rules of your trading strategy, no matter how boring is the market. But while the markets are slowing down, you should remember that you should always stay vigilant, because the unexpected market movement events can still occur at any moment. For example, the Brexit vote date was the 16th of June 2016. The release of the vote results 24th of June made the markets crazy. Just be prepared that the markets will be slower and there will be fewer setups to trade. But don't lose your focus, because summer is still a great moment to make nice profits. Also remember that the slowing markets give you the perfect opportunity to learn something new, to stay more time with your friends, and just enjoy the summer. Personally, I prefer to take a lot of day offs during the summer season. Let me know, traders, in the comment section, how do you trade in summer? Also, if you have any questions, please ask in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to my free Telegram channel, the link in the description below, and also do not forget to watch my other videos.